This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You stop working and close SketchUp now. That prevents autosave from overwriting the transient file. Once closed, go straight to the project folder and sort files by modified date to spot a recent SKB or TMP. If you don't see it there, make sure to check the system temp directory, Windows local /temp, or Mac OS temporary folders, because SketchUp often writes backups there. Doing this first focuses recovery on actual backup candidates instead of guessing or recreating work. You copy the candidate file to a separate recovery folder so you never work on the original. This preserves options if conversion fails. Once copied, rename the extension from SKB or TMP to SKP so SketchUp recognizes it. Make sure file permissions allow you to open it. Change ownership if required. If a direct open fails, use an older SketchUp build to try opening or import geometry into a blank file. This often extracts core geometry even when full. You open the recovered file, immediately save it with a new name, and enable autosave at a short interval so you don't lose work again. Once saved, validate geometry and export critical components or scenes to OBJ or DAE if anything looks off. That secures usable assets. If you still face corruption, check disk integrity and look for Windows volume shadow copies or time machine snapshots as an additional recovery source. Make sure to document what worked so you can repeat the process quickly next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.